Oh, there's a hawk flying around. But good afternoon, everyone. I'm currently on my way to find you, and I just realized that tree did fall. But, hope y'all are having a wonderful Tuesday or Valentine's Day or whatever the hell it is today. Couldn't care less if it is Valentine's Day. Ain't like I got anybody to celebrate it with, so might as well make a video. But, yeah. Just have to... It's actually starting to get cold. That's unfortunate, because it was... I don't know, it was 58 degrees out, but now it's freezing. Yesterday I was going to have a video out, but it failed and I had to delete it. Because somehow I accidentally deleted the video off my phone as well, or wasn't paying attention and deleted it. I don't know. But when the sun comes out from... Okay. Dog bowl. I hope there's not a dog walking around. Because I was in there yesterday. And if I have to, I'll run through the backyards. This video may take a turn. There shouldn't be a dog bowl. Oh, great. Right now, I'm paranoid, and my anxiety's going through the roof. Just gotta watch behind me and to the sides of me then, because not knowing how aggressive this dog could be, if there even is a dog out. But yeah, if you're alone like me, and so you're watching this video, great, cool. If you're not and you're still watching this video, even... Okay. Birds. Yep. Oh! Thought it was something... a coyote pack. I was like, crap! Fell for it. Ain't about to have to kick an animal on camera. But granted, you'd see the coyote on camera, then the video end, and I'd call up my uncle to grab his gun and quickly run up, pop shots at the coyote. Yeah, I'm on edge now, because I seen something big run past too. I don't know if it was just a big bird or deer or turkey or what. Maybe pheasant are coming around. Never know. But I'm not even gonna attempt to look at that thing there. But yeah, I hate Valentine's Day. And oh, cool, deer tracks. There's a pickup truck. Something's moving up that way. Oh, that's ominous. Crow. Just cod. But no, yeah, I can't stand Valentine's Day. And where is that crow? Oh, there it is. I don't know if y'all seen it or not. Come July, June or July, I think it is these crows aren't gonna want to be around. Hopefully. Still gotta look at because there's crow hunting during that time. And most of these are crows that come around, so just pop. Okay. I think it ran off. Whatever the animal was. I'm thinking a deer or whatever. I don't know if y'all heard it, but it sounded like something splashed or whatever, or rustling up here. But no. Yeah. Baby millipede, it looks like. Nothing. Yeah, nothing under here either. Wait, no. Just why am I so on edge? Any salamanders? Not that I can see. Dog's barking. Let me. Did the frog leave? Yep, frog left. Dang. I came up here yesterday in the video I lost. And the frog was actually kind of frozen. So I gently placed this rock back down, so it must have. Yeah, it left. Oh, no. Never mind, it just moved right here. I still don't know if it's like a wood frog or if it's a tree frog of some sorts. Like a Cope's gray tree frog or just one of those regular gray tree frogs. Ow! That hurt. Ooh. I never noticed this rock. Oh. Probably the reason why I never noticed it. There's nothing under there. No. Just kind of looking around. Comment down below how your day is going. Because mine, like I said, I have no one to like talk to or hang out with, so making these videos. Just a sad, lonely state. But yeah. Ooh, that's cool. Maybe I'll find a Sally under here. Or maybe we'll find a newt. I don't know. It's still a little cold. Who knows? Maybe I'll get lucky and today I'll find a snake. Oh jeez. Oh. Seriously, still nothing under here? Normally there'd be stuff, like, at least bugs. But maybe, like I said, I'll get lucky and find a snake. That or I'll be unlucky and coyotes will come out of nowhere. I hope that's not the case. Did I? Oh, rock. Perfect. These are like concrete slabs or something like that. I don't know why they're here. And actually, the water's rushing like fast today. Nothing. Gotta be careful not to fall. Oh, there's these salamanders I recorded in the last video. And just gently. There's a red emblem. Gently soft down. Oh. Probably shouldn't stick my hands under any rocks when snakes are starting to come out. That's all I need to be bit by a frickin' copperhead or whatever. Even though I've not seen a copperhead around here. And I haven't seen a copperhead or rattlesnake at all in person. But yeah. Oh, I also did make a cryptid time few days back. It's the one that only has like one view, I think. So I don't know if any of y'all seen it or and just decided not to watch or what. Ooh. That's a good sign. Plants are starting to grow. Spring's here. Oh, crow. Oh, that scared me. started to caw, and I was like, what's that? Ooh. First of all, giant Millie, which I don't remember if I told or not, but when threatened, they produce like a cyanide. That's kind of cool. Let me grab this salamander. Nope. Oh, you're so squirmy. You're last year's baby, aren't you? Probably have a video of you somewhere. But yeah, hey, that tickles. Anyways, I'll put you back. Don't want no photos of you. Ooh, ants are starting to come out. That's definitely a sign spring's coming. Dang it. This stuff all broke on one of the last. Yeah, none of this had time to set in. Ooh. Why is it? No salamander. Maybe it's under here. Oh, yep. Little Baba. Are you dead? Oh, no, okay. You're just cold. But yeah. Look at the little guy. Or girl. Yeah, you're probably